How to get more Instagram followers. My Instagram account has only a few followers, but I'll show you how I'm working to increase that number. I'm using Shadow Mystic website, a website offering affordable services. I've already created an account and added funds. The process is straightforward. Just type Instagram followers and you will be provided with multiple options as to what services you wanted to avail. So to make this simple, I am purchasing 100 followers. Simply enter your Instagram account link. And once you're happy with your preferences, just tap submit. It worked for me. Hopefully it will work for you too.